This video is for numbers 1 and 2 from the Chapter 8, Section 1 practice. The directions read, determine if the following expressions are polynomial functions. If so, state the degree. If not, explain why not. Be specific. Looking at number 1, we have 1/3 x squared minus 4x to the 5th plus 6.28x minus the square root of 3 times x to the 7th. Remember, a polynomial is going to be an expression that has multiple terms that kind of follow this rule. They can have any number, right, as the coefficient times x to a whole number power, right? So it can be any value that's being multiplied times x, and then when you're looking at your exponent, remember it has to be a whole number value. And sometimes it's an expression that simplifies to a whole number. And if you are a little rusty on your whole numbers, remember whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so there are no fractions, no decimals. Looking back at number 1, you can see that each of the terms, right, follows that rule. So we can say, yes, this is a polynomial. And then since we're saying that it is a polynomial, we can look here and state the degree as well. Remember, the degree is going to be the greatest exponent when it's in standard form. And in this case, that is 7. So we'll say the degree is equal to 7. Looking at the second problem, it reads the square root of 6 times x to the 4th minus 3.2 times x to the 3rd plus 2 over x squared plus 5/7 x. So these ones seem to be fine, but we have a little bit of an issue with this term right here. Remember, 2 over x squared is the equivalent of saying 2 times x to the negative second power, just using our exponent rules. Therefore, -2 would cause this to not be a polynomial because it's not a whole number. So we'll state on this one that no, this is not a polynomial. If you have additional questions on these or you need extra practice with this concept, please let me know.